In the last class, I discussed regarding alternating series. Basically, what is alternating series? Now, I'll discuss about other things, means different type of test for alternating series. Okay. First of all, the test name is Leibnitz test. Leibnitz test. This test imply what the statement of this test. This test for alternating series, only for alternating series. Alternating series test. That's why it is known as alternating series test, that is Leibnitz test. Here, if un be a monotonic decreasing sequence, be a monotonic decreasing sequence, if un be a monotonic decreasing sequence of positive real numbers, and limit n tends to infinity un equal to 0, then the alternating series n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n plus 1 un is convergent. You got my point? Yeah. It is, note it is sufficient condition for convergence of an alternating series. This is sufficient condition for convergence of alternating series. Okay. Result. I think Leibniz टेस्ट जितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये रिजल्ट उससे भी ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि an alternating series un is not convergent if either un is not decreasing sequence, either un is not decreasing sequence, or limit n tends to infinity un not equal to 0. ये क्या बोल रहा है दिस रिजल्ट? ये रिजल्ट बस ये बोल रहा है कि अच्छा, आप मान लो कि मेरा लीबनिज़ टेस्ट सही है, इसका मतलब क्या, ऑल्टरनेटिंग सीरीज को मैं ऐसे ले लूं -1 पावर n un, देन un को आपका क्या होना पड़ेगा, un को आपका नॉन डिक्रीजिंग होना डिक्रीजिंग होना पड़ेगा, एंड un को डिक्रीजिंग होना पड़ेगा, एंड लिमिट n टेंड्स टू इंफिनिटी un को 0 होना पड़ेगा, देन जाके हम उसको बोलेंगे कॉन्वर्जेंट। नाउ ऑल्टरनेटिंग सीरीज के लिए यहां पे ये बोल रहा है कि आइदर un नॉट डिक्रीजिंग हो जाए चलेगा, और उनका जो लिमिट n टेंड्स टू इंफिनिटी un मतलब nth टर्म का लिमिट वो नॉन जीरो हो जाए, दोनों में से कोई एक कंडीशन होल्ड हो जाए, आइदर तो ये होल्ड हो जाओ दिस वन कि दिस वन इज नॉन डिक्रीजिंग, फाइन, और ये होल्ड हो जाओ, दोनों में से किसी एक होल्ड हो गया तो बात बन गया, ठीक है। दैट्स व्हाई दिस रिजल्ट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस रिजल्ट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके फाइन। अच्छा, example for you, example for you, example, okay, fine, wait, summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n into 1 by root n। अच्छा, ये देखो this one we can say n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n into un से, फाइन, कोई डाउट नहीं है, ये कंसीडर कर सकते हैं। नाउ देयरफॉर हियर un is 1 by root n implies un sequence is monotonically decreasing, monotonically decreasing, clearly इंक्रीजिंग सीक्वेंस डिक्रीजिंग सीक्वेंस के बारे में आइडिया है, एंड लिमिट n टेंड्स टू इंफिनिटी un इक्वल टू 0 ऑब्वियसली, क्यों ना 1 बाई रूट n दैट इज 1 बाई इंफिनिटी दैट इज 0, therefore by Leibnitz test given series, given alternating series is convergent, fine, इतना हम बोल सकते हैं, क्लियर। अच्छा अच्छा, एक चीज देखो, आपके लिए मैं एक एग्जाम्पल लेके आता हूं, जो कि दिस वन, सी फॉर दैट रिजल्ट नो नीड, नाउ इट इज नॉट नीडेड एट ऑल, दिस रिजल्ट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, सी इफ un नॉन डिक्रीजिंग हो जाएगा तब भी, नॉट डिक्रीजिंग हो जाएगा तो तब भी जाके ये बोल देंगे इट इज कन्वर्जेंट नहीं है, और उनका लिमिट नॉन जीरो हो जाएगा तब भी जाके हम बोल सकते हैं ये ऑल्टरनेटिंग सीरीज कन्वर्जेंट नहीं है, ओके फाइन। ओके, नाउ next it is comes one another important result, that is absolutely convergent and conditionally convergent, absolutely convergent and conditionally convergent, absolutely convergent ये है conditionally convergent, okay, think about it, what is absolutely convergent, what is conditionally convergent, side by side I will discuss here, okay, okay, let UN be a alternating series. Alternating series. Let UN be a alternating series. If UN is convergent, then UN is said to be absolutely convergent. Absolutely convergent. Okay. Conditionally convergent, what is this? Let UN be a alternating series. Alternating series. Okay. If UN is convergent but UN mod series is not convergent. Then it is known as conditionally convergent. Conditionally convergent. Okay, you got my point. तो पहले तो बताओ ऑल्टरनेटिंग सीरीज होगा, उनका मॉड्यूलस टर्म का जो हर एक टर्म का मॉड्यूलस ले लेंगे, उसका जो सीरीज बनेगा वो कॉन्वर्जेंट है तो उसको बोलेंगे एब्सोल्युटली कॉन्वर्जेंट. ए सीरीज यूएन ऑल्टरनेटिंग सीरीज है. इफ यूएन इज कॉन्वर्जेंट बट series modulus of UN that is not convergent, then that series is known as conditionally convergent. Okay, from these definitions what I can say? From this definition what I can say? Remark every absolutely convergent series is convergent. Every absolutely convergent series is convergent. Every absolutely convergent series is convergent. But we can't say that every conditionally convergent series is absolutely convergent. Okay, just observation, right? Absolutely convergent. Okay, very trivial observation. Okay, now by definition it is true. Okay. Achha. Okay. Another result I can write, yeah. Another result I can write, that is, if a series is not convergent, if a series is not convergent, then it is neither absolutely convergent, then it is neither absolutely convergent nor conditionally convergent. किसी एक हो जाएगा तो उसको हम convergent बोलेंगे, conditionally convergent. Okay, that is the main scenario. If a series is not convergent, then it is neither absolutely not conditionally convergent. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, there are a lot of interesting examples for you available. I'll discuss later with you one by one. All those things I discuss one by one with you definitely. But here very few example we discuss. For Leibnitz test I already discussed. Okay. Acha. Something I try to discuss with you. See, example, which of the following is conditionally convergent? First one is second one is, third one is, फोर्थ वन इज नॉन ऑफ दिस. ओके, इसको कैसे किया जाएगा? n इक्वल टू 1 टू इन्फिनिटी, n इक्वल टू 1 टू इन्फिनिटी, n इक्वल टू 1 टू इन्फिनिटी, इसको कैसे हैंडल किया जाएगा? अच्छा, एक चीज बताओ, a एंड b conditionally convergent. Convergent by Leibnitz test. What you can say more? They are not absolutely convergent. They are not absolutely convergent. Okay. And C is convergent absolutely by P test. How you can say? See, this one something n plus 1 by n square, this modulus that is equal to 1 by n square, it is convergent as p equal to 2 that is greater than 1. So we are done basically, right? In this way you can approach. In this way you can approach. Okay. So conditionally convergent का definition क्या है? UN convergent हो, modulus is not convergent हो, तब जाके absolutely convergent हो, then जाके it is conditionally convergent. ठीक है, ठीक है. Therefore this C is convergent absolutely. This is convergent absolutely. That means, that implies it is not conditionally convergent. Here क्या? It is convergent. It is conditionally convergent by Leibniz test, because they are not absolutely convergent. They are not, because by definition they are not absolutely convergent. Okay, hopefully you got my point. This much for alternating series. There are some important results are there, and after that in the next class I start power series for you. Thank you.